name is Journee, your favorite YouTuber. So, today we have a special guest this time.
I'm Darius. Woo!
So, whatever this called, I think it's a peach pie.
That is an angel cot.
An angel cot.
But what's the theme?
Yeah, you gotta tell them what we're doing.
We're having yellow food, and we have 3 bonus ones. Wait, 2 bonus ones. 2 bonus ones on in the video. So this is an angel cup.
Angel cot.
This is a peach pie.
Peach pie.
This is
Cheese ball.
peas ball.
Cheese ball.
I said that. And whatever this is called.
That is jackfruit.
This is play orange.
That's a ginger citrus drink.
Okay.
Yeah. And then what about this big old one?
Show
that to the camera. Let them see that.
We have a yellow dragon fruit. Woo! And we have 2 shout outs. Mary Brown, thank you for giving us the suggestion for a yellow dragon fruit, and Jennifer Joyful Journeys. This is the number to contact them. So
okay, I guess I'll put the number across the screen.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's probably the smartest thing.
So we have
What's
this.
next? That is, what's that? That is citrus champagne vinegar.
We can put this on anything,
Anything.
But,
It's zesty.
but we're going to put it on a pineapple.
We're also having
Pineapple.
pineapple with a little bit of kick to it.
This and tahini.
Tahini.
You usually put this on watermelon.
But we're gonna do pineapple though.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So we have this spicy popcorn.
That's one of our awesome bonuses.
And we have. Mom, can you tell them what is this? Lychee. I'm stuck to the table. Goodness gracious. So what we're going to try first, I really bad wanted this, and we have these little cups to drink.
From where?
From where?
Turkey.
From Turkey, from my mom's great friend, Edja. So first we're going to
Thanks, Edja.
So first we're going to be trying these cheese balls.
You like it? Yeah. What do you think? Is it cheesy enough for you?
6 out of 10.
Show them the packaging.
I also say 6 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They taste healthy though.
They are healthier.
So now we're going to be trying this.
Our ginger citrus drink. You ready?
Yeah.
That's it.
It's going to explode there.
It's not gonna explode, I promise. We got this. All right.
I want to smell it.
Smell it. Oh, okay.
Smells horrible.
It's ginger in there. All right, we'll do one.
I'm scared to try.
We'll do one for you.
Little.
I didn't do a lot. You want to hold that? Wait, don't start yet. Yeah. Okay, here we go. I'll try mine. All right.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready, Jen.
Ready. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
10 out of 10.
Oh.
Absolutely.